Hello guys, I go by the name Morganes, a founder of Irida Digitals and Crowdhost Ghana. And today I have an amazing surprise for you. This is the second edition of Code with AI. Yes, I'm about to start another edition of Code with AI. We will start, that is 1st March, okay? So 1st March, we are starting the second edition of Code with AI, okay? So if you're watching me right now, please don't go, watch to the end, because I'm going to show you a lot of amazing things that I have developed with AI. Okay, you don't need to know any line of code, you don't need to know anything about coding. What you need is your laptop or your computer which can access internet. That's all that you need, and all the resources I will give it to you for free. Okay, remember, terms and conditions are applied. So first of all, let me show you. I'm not saying these are some of the things that we are going to create, but I'm going to show you how to. I will teach you how to code with AI, and then by the time you complete the course, you'll be able to develop anything with AI. Anything that you can think of, you can create with AI. Trust me. Okay, so first, this is a web hosting server, okay, or let me say a web hosting system, and that is something like billing system. Like we have WHMCS. I was using WHMCS, then I realized that no, I need my own custom system, and this is it. Let me take you to customers dashboard, or yes, users dashboard. This is a users dashboard, and you can see that if I want to log into my server or my cPanel, all that I need to do is to come to hosting services, and I can see my package here. I can click control panel, and automatically I don't have to do anything again. It will take me straight to the control panel, and this is my control panel. Okay, let me go click here to go back, and this is a billing system, and I developed this platform using AI. Okay, yes, so with this you'll be able to do anything. I can log in, log out here. I can decide to log in. Let me go to the home page. This is the home page. I can decide to log in as administrator. This is administrator account. With the administrator account, I have to enter verification code, which I have to go to my email and get it. I'm not ready to do that, so let me cancel it and leave there. So this is a billing system I have developed for my server for managing my web hosting service. Okay, good. Let me close that. And then next, this one is also this Lances system. I developed this system for managing my plugins, that's the thing that I've been creating. Okay, or the scripts that I've developed, I'm using this one to manage them. So with this one, it will for activation of Lances and so on and so forth. Okay, so this is for instance, this is WordPress plugin. Okay, so when you buy this plugin here, you have to activate it using this system. Okay, good. And this is a pure system. That's a point of sale system, and this AI writing assistant, I'll be dropping the video on this AI writing assistant very soon. Okay, I'll be dropping a video on AI writing assistant very soon. This is an amazing one. And also we have WP, Irida WP styling. All these resources that you see here, I developed them. Okay, and I will show you how you can do anything with AI. Let me close these two, and let's go to the next one. This is that is GH School Portal. Okay, for managing multi schools. Okay, so this is just a landing page. So this website, you see, it's just a landing page, and I'm not going to talk much about it, but this is the main system. This GH School Portal this is the main system. This multi-school functionality system for managing schools. Okay, I can log in here as admin 2, and let's see, and let's go to the dashboard. You see, this is the dashboard. It's a multi-school. I can generate student report from here. Go to report. I can generate student report. Click here, select form 2. I can select let's say end of second term examination, end of second term examination. Let me click that and see. I can select student from here, generate, and let's see. I don't know if I do Okay, I don't have a report here. Let me go to first term and see. Maybe I have a report here on the first term. Good. Yes, I think I have a report here. So let me click generate, and we have a report, and there's a report. I can download this one. Let me click download, and so that we can see it well. And this is the report. Good. This is a report. I have a picture here, the school logo. You can see the position. This is not this is just a demo content. Okay, this is not a student report. It's just a demo one. Okay, and it looks amazing, right? Good. So let me close the two of them. We are done talking about the two of them and the reports. The next one, this is Big Data GH. This is a production platform for selling data bundle. Okay, I don't want to talk much because it's something else. Yeah, for buying data. If you need data, you can come here. Let me close that. And this one is this is online voting system for online voting. Okay, yes, for event and online voting, something of that sort. It's a complete system. Let me close this too. And this is I'm not even done with this project. I was working on this project. I just even saw it this evening. It's just 20% or 30% complete. And let's look at this one. This is a website. It just that is for agency, web design agency platform. I actually designed this for my customers. I will give this one out for free. Okay, so those who want this website, just leave comments below this video and I will give this website for free. It's just a web agency website. Okay, a very amazing one. Portfolio, and I can just go through the portfolio, select, see, just keep on changing, and that is portfolio. So if you need this agency website, just reach out to me or just leave comment and I'll give you the source code so that you can just deploy. Okay, so far so good. This is, as I said, this is a second edition of Code with AI. Please, this is not a free course. If you need a free course, don't contact me. This is not a free course. This is a Code with AI. We are very serious about it. I will give you all the AI tools, all that you need in order to complete this course. So you don't have to do anything. All that you need, as I said from the beginning, your laptop and or your computer, which can access internet. This is all that you need. This is going to be a Zoom course. That's one-on-one. Okay, a Zoom meeting. Okay, yes. So if you're ready, then you know something. Make sure this video contain my number. Just reach out to me on WhatsApp, chat me on WhatsApp, and I will give you the link to join the group. Okay, as I said, we will start that is 1st March. Okay, we will start the course 1st March. So for between this period is for registration. So if you're interested, just feel free, contact me and I will add you to the course. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.